All right. So this is how you import your Trust Wallet account to your BitKeep account. So on your wallet like this, you click on those settings here, the settings. You click on security and privacy.
Metamask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank.
Let me. Okay. So once you are here, look for um, show private key. So click on show private key, then input your password. Then after inputting your MetaMask password, or maybe using your fingerprint or anything, then you okay, let me input my password. All right. So after inputting your password, it will ask you to hold to reveal private key. So when you hold it, once it loads, the private key will be revealed. So I don't want to reveal mine because it's very secret. So once your private key has been revealed, copy that private key. Once you have copied it, go to your BitGet account. Then you click on this my wallet. You can see I have two wallets already. Click on add a wallet. Then you scroll down, you click on this first one, that import a wallet that has software. Just click on it, then put in your fingerprint. Then you paste the key phrase here, the phrase you copied, paste it here. Once you have pasted it, click on confirm. All right. So once you click on confirm, it will ask you to select the network chain, either Ethereum or those things. Select Polygon. I repeat, select Polygon, because we are using Polygon. So once you have imputed those things, follow the procedure, then it will take you to your main wallet like this. Okay, so that's how you import your Trust Wallet to your BitGet. If you want to switch network, you can click here, you can see it, but make sure it is on Polygon. All right.